डीसीपी संभवी मिश्रा ने बताया कि अंतर्राज्यीय चोरी गिरोह का भांडाफोड़ कर 3 सदस्यों को पकड़ा गया, जो किराए की कारों से अलग अलग राज्यों में चोरी करते थे। कामाख्या से 2 कटर मिले और उन्हें भांगागढ़ के होटल में गिरफ्तार किया गया।
Case was registered on 17th of January 2025, which was a burglary incident which happened in Kedar Road, Fancy Bazaar area. A small amount, like 60,000 rupees, basically, it was stolen. After that, the case was registered here. We have been on the investigation. A lot of steps were taken. A lot of technical analysis was done. All the local car, the basic modus operandi, I'll tell you in short. So what happened that this is an interstate gang. Basically, we have nabbed the 3 main criminals who are involved. 2 are from Rajasthan and 1 is from South Delhi. Those 3 individuals, along with others also, they planned. They came here in Guwahati. They hired a local car from a rental agency. Then they committed the crime here using that vehicle. After that, they left. So this is their common modus operandi. They come in times, they hire a local vehicle here. They have some instruments, some cutters and all, which they hide in some places. Like we have recently in this particular case recovered 2 cutters from Kamakya Road. So what they did, they came, they hid their things there, they hired a rental car, they came, they committed the burglary. So like this, we have almost 5 incidents in record. Like one incident happened in AT Road in 2024. A recent burglary happened in Dibrugarh district. Our burglary case was from January 2025. One case from Barpet it recently happened in November only. And they were planning to commit another burglary actually, for which they came in Guwahati and they again approached some rental agency to hire a new vehicle. We were already in contact with all the rental agencies. So we instantly got that information. We checked through our technical analysis and we finally got the location in Bhangagarh. They were staying in a hotel. We checked in that hotel and we finally got the hold of these 3 criminals. Further interrogation led to some seizures, these 2 cutters, and they confessed of committing more crimes. More people are involved in their gang. It is not a sole incident which happened. So we are currently under investigation of this case. These 3 people have brought in the police custody. And my final message would be that I would like to say that कानून के हाथ लंबे होते हैं, actually लंबे होते हैं. So this is proven from this case, and again it might take a little time for us to solve the cases because we have a huge load. But you should keep your faith in us because ultimately we deliver result. There is a lot of crime happening in Guwahati which is based with these rental agencies. Almost every day we get some news that some person have lent their car to a rental agency, it was later sold off. These kind of crimes also happen. So we are already in the process of streamlining these things, and we have already cracked successful cases. Like in Chanmari, almost 8 vehicles were recovered like this. From Geetanagar, the vehicles were sold in Siliguri, almost 10 vehicles were recovered. So we are already in the process.